how to remove a chat from chat log. So if you want to remove a chat from a chat log on your WhatsApp, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Once you've opened your WhatsApp, now if you have hidden any chat or if you have logged any of your chats, then what you can do is you need to simply swipe down. Once you swipe down here, you will have log chats option. So you need to simply tap on log chats. And once you tap on that, you need to unlock your mobile device to continue. So you can choose your fingerprint or your face print. So once you've chosen that, now here you will have your locked chat. So if you want to remove a chat from a locked chat, then simply tap and hold on to that chat. And here you can go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and tap on unlock chat and again enter your face or your fingerprint. And that's it. That's how you can remove the chat from a chat log. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.